Assalamu alaikum. I am Ashab Farhan Anon, currently studying B.Sc in Aeronautical Engineering at Bangladesh Aviation Aerospace University. So in this video, we are going to design the Boeing 77 Dreamliner in SolidWorks 2024. Specifically this model which Biman Bangladesh Airlines uses. So let's get started. So first of all, we choose the new and of course a part file. Let it load. Okay. So here we say that I have a collected blueprint. You can get many blueprints in Google if you find. So if you have done mechanical drawing course, so it will be easy for you to understand which is more suitable for you. So I have find this blueprint was suitable. Then I have cropped it to use as a sketch picture feature. So let's get started. So here we see that there is overall length and the height that is given. So it is of course in meter. So let me change the unit first. Meter, kilogram, second. Okay. So first of all, right plane, sketch, and I find here sketch picture. Okay. Picture. So here is my right. Okay. So I can see that it is actually the duration is opposite. Let me change it. Okay, that's now perfect. So the length is 56.72 meters. So let me give it 56.72, 56.72. Ouch, that's so deep. Okay, that's no problem. Why it is going upside down? Okay, you'll kind of face this problem. It's not a big problem. You can just change it from here. And the height is 16.92 meters. 16.92. 16.92. Okay. So here you can see that whenever I did a 60.92 meter, the length of it changed actually. It is because the scale tool and the aspect ratio is enabled. So we need to disable these two. So now I can freely give the dimensions 56.72. Okay. Now this is good. So let me just have the corner with the center. Oh, again, no. I don't know why this happens. But you could just drag it. Now it is good to go. Okay. So let's go for the frontal view now. Front plane, sketch. Okay, sketch picture. Here we have the front view. So the wingspan is 60.12 meter. So the wingspan will be this line. So 60.12, 60.12. And here you can see that the height is automatically adjusted. So again disable the aspect ratio and the scale tool. So the height will be 16.92 meter. 92. Okay, 16.92. Now I have to drag it and keep this center. Keep it at the center. Okay, this looks good. So two planes are done. Now I go for the top view. Okay. So this is the front side. So I again go for sketch picture. This is the top view. Uh, so the length is 56.72 meter, 56.72, 56.72. Okay. And the wingspan was, let me disable it. The wingspan is 60.12 meter, 60.12. Okay. So we can see that it is actually not in the right direction. So I give it 90 degree, 90. Now again, So this is good to go. Now I just drag it and keep the nose with the center. Okay, this kind of looks good. Okay, we are good to go. So this is ready. Our blueprint is ready. Now we will start sketch. Choose the right plane and sketch. Here we can see that the upper part of the fuselage is straight. This is also straight, so we can go for two straight lines. Okay, you just start from here and here. Good, it is good to go. So I choose fly. Okay, this is the nose. Okay, so here we can move this line. This is the tangents of the spline. So if you have a horizontal line, make sure your this tangency stays also horizontal. If you don't make it horizontal, after you make the surface body, it will have a line, divide line back there, which actually seems really bad. So make sure your spline is horizontal. At the same time, you must keep it also vertical, because if you don't keep it, there will be a sharp edge in back there, which also looks very bad, and it will also create problem in creating solid bodies. So keep it vertical. Okay, now we adjust. Just drag it down. Okay, now drag it forward, drag it down again. Uh, it it kind of looks good now. Okay, it's good to go. So I have another line back there at the tail. So I go for another spline. No need to do any horizontal stuff back here, but here we need to make this horizontal. Okay, now just drag it to keep in line with the blueprint. Okay, this looks good. Again, line this. Okay, this looks good. So I go for against line, make this tangency horizontal and make this tangency vertical. Okay, I just dragging it, drag, just drag and adjust with the blueprint. Kinda looks good. Yep, yeah, now it's good. So now that don't need to do anything here. So I'm keeping this tendency again horizontal, but drag it, keep this with the blueprint. Okay, so our sketch is done. I'm gonna do another sketch in the right plane. Again, new sketch. All right. So I'm gonna do a line with this point right back there. So this far is good. Okay. Now I'm gonna go a spline and go with the this point. Okay. Again, I should keep this horizontal, horizontal. Okay, looks good. Just drag it a little bit inside. Okay. So I go for the top plane and I'm gonna draw the top trace right now. Let me see this recording. Yep, it's recording. Okay, let me draw a straight line from here to here. Okay, this looks good. I just hang it inside. I'm just okay. So I'm going to use this spline line. Okay, not spline right now. First of all, we need a center line back here. Okay, so we must keep it perfectly aligned because we are going to use the project curve feature. So this point right back there and control left click this point, make it coincident. Okay. So these 2 points are in line now. So now I go for the spline line. Yes, I have found the point, connect it. Okay. It should be vertical. Go vertical. And this should be horizontal, and drag it to match with the blueprint. Okay, looks really good. Again, we need a center line to, okay, this looks good. This point and this point should be coincident. Okay. So again, another spline line, spline, this and this. Okay. Again, vertical. And yes, this needs to be horizontal. Okay. Drag it and drag this down. Okay. I need to just keep the center line a little bit further inside and this outside. Looks really good. Okay, looks good to me. Mm, this looks good. Okay, so we quit and so now we go to the feature curve, project curve, sketch on sketch. So this second sketch and this sketch, okay, see, there's a 3D line back there which we need for an aircraft fuselage. Look, it goes like this and also like the top place. So it kind of goes through a 3D plane, not only 2D plane. So right click, yes. Why is it? It kind of always becomes not visible always. So what we do, we go to sketch, 3D sketch, we choose this curve and convert in this. Now it will be visible. All right. Let me just not this. I have to edit this a little bit. Uh, Let me just trim it and have a line back here. Small line, not just a line. And go for spline, vertical. Okay. Hope so. Okay. Just delete this 3D sketch. We do have our curve back here. So again, sketch, 3D sketch, convert into this. Now it looks good. Okay. We must have it because that if we it will be helpful for us to sketch the last part. Now we go to draw our planes. So go to reference. First reference is the front plane. Keep this 5. What is it? Okay, flip offset. 5 is too far. Keep it 2. Uh, okay, let me keep it 1. So that this looks good. Now again reference club. Look, the plane one is already chosen. So I will make planes in 10 meters interval. Flip offset. Okay. So one plane is here. Add on 1. Okay, this is not 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is enough. So I choose the line back here. Again, go to reference plane. So second reference I need is the right plane. Look, the plane is already here. Okay, let me just drag it. So the planes are ready. So we start our sketch. First plane one. Okay. You can see that the 3D line is also visible back here. If you don't convert it to 3D sketch, it will not become visible and you will face problems in detecting it. So I take spline. Okay. You can sketch whatever wherever you want. Now here's the tricky part. I need this point to with this spline, this point with the 3D sketch spline, and this point with the bottom spline. So left click choose this. Now press Control and left click choose this. So you have select point one and the spline of this sketch. Now you will add relation from here. So presses pierce. Look, it is intersecting with it. Okay. Now this point control left click this point pierce. Okay. Now the bottom point control left click this line pierce. And look what shape we have. Here's a frame like sketch right back here. But we cannot save this like this because let me show you what will happen. I go to mirror entities, choose this, mirror about the right plane. Look, it's kind of onion shape. We don't need this. We need to be round. So again, choose this tendency and keep it horizontal. Again, choose this tendency and keep it horizontal. Look, it is kind of round shape right now. But for surface modeling purpose, I would only do the half of it. Okay, keep it half. All right. So the feature of the 747 is kind of round. So I am going to keep this round. This looks really good. Okay. Okay. This looks good. So our first sketch is done. I hide this plane one. Now I go for the second plane. Again, same way. Have this line. Okay. Now there will be a problem. See this point, and if you control choose this spline, it will not because this spline is located too far ahead of the point. Look, here's the spline ending, but your point is right back here. So you need to choose the straight line. So remember this, whatever you choose, you must choose what is in the range of this point. So choose this, control choose this, and pierce. Okay. Choose this and control choose this, pierce. Again, the bottom point, control choose the straight line bottom and pierce. Okay, we cannot keep the onion shape. We must keep it horizontal. So horizontal and horizontal. Okay. Try to match with the blueprint. Okay, let me match with it. Where is located? Okay, we must match with the blueprint. Okay, this will be good enough. Okay, I hide this plane 2. I go for plane 3. Okay, spline. Okay, choose this and this pairs. Choose this and this pairs. Choose this and this pairs. So what did, okay, what is going on here? Where did this come? This might be some error or something. Okay, doesn't matter. I think this is from the script. Okay, so keep it horizontal, keep it horizontal, and try to match with the spline. Okay, this looks good. Hide this plane. Now the next plane, spline. What's wrong with it? Unit. Okay, spline. What the heck? Okay, I don't know what is happening right back here. Okay, spline. So this pierce, this pierce, and this and the bottom line pierce. Again, the onion shape. We need to get rid of this horizontal, and this also horizontal. Okay, try to match with the blueprint. Try to match with the blueprint. Yep, looks good. I hide this plane. Okay, this plane. So spline. Okay, so it is not in the straight line region. It is in the spline region. So choose this and control choose this. Pairs. Choose this and control choose this. Pa- no, choose this and control choose this. Pairs. Choose this and control choose the bottom spline. Pairs. Okay. No onion shape. As I said again, horizontal and horizontal. Okay. Now I just concentrate a little bit more because it's the back part of the fuselage, so it will be less round. Okay, it's good. Hide this plane. Okay, now this plane, sketch, again spline, choose this and this, pierce, choose this and this, pierce, choose this, control choose this, pierce. Okay, no onion shape, horizontal and horizontal. So keep it just like an egg shape. Okay, this looks good. Hide this plane. And the last plane is right back. Oh, what happened? Okay, the plane is kind of rotated, like it's not a big problem. Okay, just this and this. Okay, just this and this. Okay, not coincident, not this. So this and this pairs. So this and this pairs. This and this pairs. Okay, let me again no onion shape. Okay, horizontal. Oh, no, not horizontal. As the plane is rotated, so we can make it horizontal. So this, I don't know what is happening. Where is the vertical? This also vertical. Okay, whether inside. Okay, looks good. I display the electricity is gone, so I have to run battery power. Okay, I need to make this transparent, so I keep the transparency to 80%. Okay, keep this also 80%. Okay, now I'm going from the lofted surface. You can add this feature back here, or you can just search here lofted surface. Okay, so we need to know what to do. There is a point we need to start, but this point is not a separate sketch. So I go to sketch, 3D sketch, uh, choose this point, convert entities. Now we get out. Okay, this is a now separate sketch. You can see here is a 3D sketch. So I go for lofted surface. Okay, choose this 3D sketch. Okay, now there will be a problem. If you choose all of these at once, the loft will be kind of bent in a different way, even after giving the guide curve. So let me try this, this, this. Whoa, whoa, it's already bending in different direction. Look what has happened. Okay, don't worry. This, and this. Okay. Look what has happened right back here. Okay, we go for guide curve. So right click here and flip selection manager. Okay. We choose the multiple. Okay, this, but we will only need to choose the upper part. This enables you to choose a portion of a sketch using the selection manager. So we can choose a portion, not the whole sketch. Okay. So this is not enough. We need to go further. Okay. We need to go again further. Okay. This is good. Our first line is first guide curve is ready. Okay. Then again selection manager. We need to choose a 3D sketch, not this. We need to, you can also move the range if you want. Look, I can move it. I can keep it here or keep it there, but we need full of it. So again choose this, again choose this, again choose this. Okay, it is fully choose. What happened? Okay, let me this, this. Okay, this ready. But you can see the loft is already out of control and it is kind of bulge out back here. So we need to do it separately. So I just close it and do it separately. Choose lofted surface, only the 3D sketch first. Now the first frame. Okay. Selection manager. This again selection manager. This selection manager. The bottom spline. Okay. This is a lofted surface one. Okay. We have to keep all of these visible because already after the loft, this all sketches have become invisible. So again, we go for lofted surface, this edge and this. Okay, what happened? I need guide curves, selection manager, this and this line. Okay, again selection manager, just 3D sketch. So this is not in the range. We need more. So create this, choose this line. Okay, looks good. And selection manager again. This line and again this. Okay, looks very good. So this part of the fuselage is kind of straight, so we can choose four of these at once. Okay, choose this, 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 and this. Drag it. Okay. Selection manager, choose this and this. Okay. Selection manager, choose this and this and this. Okay. Again, selection manager, this and this. Okay. Let me check if it has bulged out or not. If it is in the line. Uh, okay. It is better to let me see if it is good to go. No, no. Even after giving the guide curve, it is actually bulging out a little bit. Mm, okay, this looks fairly good to me. So this is the problem with the lofted surface that sometimes it just bulges out. So in this case, it didn't happen. I hope so, because this portion is a straight portion. So okay, again lofted surface. So this, and this. Okay, selection manager. This selection manager. This selection manager. This. Feels fairly good to me. Okay, so here's a half of the fuselage. We need to just hide the sketches. It looks a little bad. Hide the curves. Hide it. Okay, hide this. So what we do, we go for mirror. Features, mirror. So mirror plane is the right plane. Not features to mirror. We need to go to bodies to mirror because this is a surface body, which is this is not a feature. So this, and this. Okay. So the mirroring is done, but if you go to section view, we can see it is hollow inside. We need to make this solid. So how we do it? First of all, there is a gap right back here. We need to fill this up. So we go for the filled surface feature, filled surface. So this and this. Look, if it becomes green, it means filling this surface is possible. So the condition for filling surface is that you need to have a closed sketch. If the sketch is not closed, we cannot fill a surface. Okay. Surface is filled, but still it is hollow inside. We need to make it solid. So what we do, we go for the neat surface. Okay. Choose this, and this, and all of it. Okay. Now you choose create solid and merge entities. Merge entities will enable you to have a one body, not two separate bodies. Okay. Right click. Okay. Now we go for section view. Look, it is all solid body now, no hollow. So our fuselage is ready.